In this evening's health report, Shamela Pullen looks at andropause.
Andropause, also known as male menopause, typically affects men between the ages of 45 and 55. This is where testosterone levels begin to decline around age 30, gradually leading to symptoms that progress more slowly than female menopause.
They also have what we call erectile dysfunction issues, or, it's not as powerful as it used to be, not lasting as long as it used to be. The issue, though, a lot of those problems can be attributed to other medical conditions as opposed to the hormonal imbalance in terms of the decrease in testosterone. There is indeed a condition, where later on in life they can really have testosterone deficiency.
Although men experiencing andropause remain fertile, the psychological effects can significantly impact their emotional well-being.
A lot of men take the drinking for it. They'll, the smoking even more and drinking even more when that starts. And of course, the more you drink, the more it impacts, because alcohol is a sedative. So, it's not like I'm going to have a drink and then I'm going to get rousing. Absolutely not. It's the opposite effect. So it even slows things down even more. So they resort to the alcohol and the more smoking. Some of them get more, become even more violent as they get so irritable, and they feel like they're losing their manhood. It's a real thing.
While andropause increases cardiovascular and osteoporosis risks, proactive measures can minimize symptoms and improve overall health.
They're going to go, get all of these drinks and all of these different things that they think is going to help, and these pills to make them a stallion in the bed again, and all of these kind of things. Well, I have a warning against that, because that can actually do more harm than good. Really need to get to your healthcare practitioner to do a total, assessment, do a complete check on you, get your labs done, look at what's going on, so we can have a clear picture as to what is going on. If it's hormones, that your testosterone level is really low, then we can address that. But more times than not, it's really health issues, diabetes, heart issues, and all kinds of other problems, stress and depression and anxiety that are causing some of these symptoms.
With their health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.